walked around his garden and found an empty place. He then looked down upon the earth and saw a tired face. He put his arms around him and lifted Frank to rest. God's garden must be beautiful. He always takes the best. God's garden must be beautiful. He always takes the best. He saw that Frank was suffering. He saw he was in pain. He knew that Frank would never rest down on the earth again. It broke our hearts to lose him, but he didn't go alone. For part of us went with Frank the day God called him home. For part of us went with Frank the day God called him home. He grew up with a vision and showed us that it's true, that all you need to make it there is nothing else but you. His greatest love was music, and he lived in every tune. We hope he keeps on singing up in the great saloon. We hope he keeps on singing up in the great saloon. So many people miss you, pal, right on this stage of life. Your voice will last inside our hearts until the end of time. It broke our hearts to lose him, but he didn't go alone. For part of us went with him the day God called him home. For part of us went with you, Frank, the day God called